says he's okay?
I just want my head and back because I'm with him.
He's okay as long as you're with him. He loves you.
He's gonna get pajamas.
Yeah, he's in his pajamas. Bless you. Bless you. Oh my goodness. Oh, give him a hug. You want a hug too? You're kind of. Oh, big hugs. So sweet, boys. Okay, we have to go get ready for school. We gotta go get our clothes on. Baby. Good morning. We are, well, just Crew and I right now, we are at Trader Joe's and Crew is not happy with me. But I needed to get out of the house. I've been wanting to go over to Trader Joe's for so long now, and we are finally here. I was getting a little bit stir crazy in the house. I've tried to keep him in the house for a while, but I think I need to feed him before I go in here. I fed him before we left, but he's not happy. Okay, buddy, hold on. Today is truly one of the first days that I have gotten out of the house, and today is like the first day that I have gotten for real dressed, and I'm feeling myself today. This shirt, by the way, is from Amazon. I'm gonna link it below for you guys. I'm obsessed with this shirt. Like, I'm probably gonna wear it every day for the next month or two. He acts like he's starving, but he's not. I just fed him before we left, and Trader Joe's is like not even 20 minutes down the road. So, but we are gonna run into Trader Joe's. I just wanted to look at their pumpkins and their seasonal stuff, and I just plan on keeping him in the in his carrier with the cover on and just setting it in the basket. That's what I've done with all of my kids. If I take them out when they're babies, I just keep the little cover on so nobody can like come up and touch them or do anything weird, you know? Because people do that. They're like, oh, a newborn baby, and then they come over and touch them like it's their baby, you know? And I'm like, hello? I wouldn't just walk over and touch you, would I? No, so don't do that to my baby. All the boys are in school today, and Jeff is at home working, of course, because he works from home, so most of you know that. But hopefully I'm not talking and flashing you guys my nipple, but then I'll have to delete all of this footage, which would suck, but can't be showing nipple on the tube. He does not like to be put down, ever. So I'm gonna put on my Solly wrap. Hey, just a minute. I'm gonna put this on and put him in it. Okay, so he's in here, and usually he will be pretty content in here and fall asleep, so we'll see. I'm gonna give him his passy. Hey, you're all right. I'll rinse this off. Hold on, honey. You're okay. Here, baby. So So I wanted to show y'all what I got while I ran into Target. I didn't really get much, but I did get a few things I needed to get. And one of them was this Toy Story, the Buzz Lightyear costume for cash. All of their costumes right now are like 30% off. So this was only $14, which is a steal for a Halloween costume. But I'm afraid they're gonna run out of size 2T. So I grabbed that. I'm gonna have to hide it from him because if he sees it, he's gonna wanna wear it and it's gonna be so dirty before Halloween even gets here. Then I got Cooper some Buzz Lightyear and Woody pajamas because I got some for cash. And I didn't think that Cooper would want any. He likes Toy Story, but not as much as Cash. And then when Cooper saw them, he wanted some, so I got him some too. And these are 20% off, I think. They come in like a little set. How cute are those? They are loving a Toy Story. Last night, they were so adorable in their Buzz and Woody. Cooper wore Cash's size last night just because they're almost the same size, but I got him a 3T and Cash wears a 2T. So anyways, maybe they'll wear those again tonight and I can show you guys because it's literally the cutest thing. And then I got this sweatshirt for myself. It says, "Welcome to the good life," and it's got these, I don't know, whatever you call this, stripes on the sleeves, but I thought this was really cute, and for once it's not cropped. Like all of the graphic tees and stuff at Target, even the sweatshirts, they're all cropped, which drives me insane because I have a long torso and I can't wear that kind of stuff. So I got a medium, that's my usual size. Zoe and Liv is the brand. So if it's online, I'll link it below, but this is a really, really cute sweatshirt. And then I just got some laundry detergent and some more scent boosters, and I think that's it from Target. That was all that I got. Trying to find the seasonal stuff. Oh, okay. So I got some fall leaf corn tortilla chips. And also, all of these clothes down here are going to, like, I'm donating these. I've been trying to clean out the kids' closets because they have a bunch of clothes that don't fit them anymore. So I'm just donating all of that stuff. What else do I have in here? Let's see. Fall harvest salsa to go with the chips. What else? Oh, I got some pita chips to go with some dips that I got. Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited about these. Pumpkin chocolate chunk oatmeal cookie mix. I love chocolate chip oatmeal cookies, and adding pumpkin sounds like a dream, so I'm so excited about that. And I think that's it in that bag. I really didn't get much. Crew wasn't too happy to be in Trader Joe's, so we just like, I just grabbed a few of the first things that I saw and ran out. So he is already asleep. I told you guys, if you have a newborn, you need a Solly wrap. I could not go through life without one of these. I've had it since I had Carter. I've literally saved this one since I had Carter. And when I had Carter, I had like no money at all. This was a huge splurge for me at the time, and it has been one of the best baby items I have ever had because all of them have loved it. I mean, now I can do stuff around the house, and instead of like laying him down somewhere and him crying the whole time, which is pretty much what he does, he sleeps so good in this, and all of my babies have. So if you are pregnant or if you have a newborn, this works pretty good while they're newborns, and then I would say move up to the Lila baby carrier because that works really well when they're a little bit older and heavier. But for newborns, the Solly wrap is so amazing. I cannot recommend it enough. What you doing, Woody?
I'm doing the policeman.
You're coloring the policeman?
Yeah.
Did you see a fire truck at school today?
Yeah.
You did?
I see a little fire truck.
A yellow fire truck?
Yeah.
Wow, I've never seen a yellow fire truck before.
I'm gonna color the policeman.
Okay.
I'm gonna color his hat blue.
You're gonna color his head blue?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, it's hat blue. Good job. What about you, Kashi? You want to color too? Okay, hold on. Here, I'm gonna pull out a page for Bubba real quick.
I'm gonna use mouth.
Okay, hold it. Okay. Actually, I'll get you some crayons.
Look, I did. That's my box.
Yeah, hold on. I got more here. Okay.
Look.
Whoa! Which one are you gonna use?
Blue.
That's white. I don't think you'll be able to see white.
Too.
Oh yeah.
Look.
What color is that?
There's blue.
That's not blue. Where's blue?
And you don't want the water to be too cold or too hot, no?
Cooper and Cash liked bath time, but I don't know. I have a feeling he might not be a fan. It doesn't involve eating.
Hear that noise?
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
Yeah, dark hair.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel.
So our Home Chef box came just a few days ago, and I ordered a beef Mexi mac and cheese skillet. And then I'm really excited because this is actually one of their oven ready meals. This is the Cajun chicken. So they come like this in a pan ready to go. So I ordered 2 of them. So right here on the back it shows you what to do, but pretty much all you do is take everything out of the package and put it in there and stick it in the oven. So these new oven ready meals are part of Home Chef's Fresh and Easy plan, which I absolutely love, especially with a new baby. They even have these grill ready ones, which I think is awesome because I can get my husband to make these. This is actually the one that we are having tonight, but as you can see, there are so many different meals and varieties to choose from. Even these salads look absolutely delicious. And the best part about these is that there is such little cleanup involved. I hate cleaning up the kitchen after cooking, so these are perfect for me, especially right now when I have very little time to spare. They're easy to fix and get together and easy to clean up, so I highly recommend this Fresh and Easy plan. If you guys are interested, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below, and I also have a code for you guys. It is Brittani80, and it will save you $20 off 4 boxes. But if you know somebody who's pregnant or is about to deliver soon, this would be a perfect gift for them. And if you've just had a baby yourself, it would be perfect to go ahead and order this. So we've got every everything in here that I need except for the chicken, which came in the box. Everything is shipped to you all fresh right to your doorstep in a box that has like ice packs in it, so nothing goes bad, just in case like you're out all day or something. It'll still be good when you get home. But the chicken is actually over here, so I'm gonna put that in as well, but the meat comes packed on the bottom and then all the rest of it comes on the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this ready, and then I'll add the chicken just like the directions say on the other side. The scissors just broke. Oh, I guess I'll get some different scissors. You're gonna help me? Here, turn it on. We gotta turn it on, honey. Come on. Yeah, gee. Do you want to take a bath or no? Well, I need to turn it on. Are you gonna be buzzed? Let's dry you off. Come here. Are you gonna be Buzz Lightyear? To infinity and beyond. Are you Buzz Lightyear? Why are you always trying to destroy things? I see you. You look so cute. So it's about 9:30 at night. I just got out of the shower. Little crew is about ready for bed. He just ate. Oh my goodness, hold on. Come. I think he's tired and ready for bed, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I tried to capture a lot of our day, but honestly, it is really hard to pick up the camera with a newborn and a bunch of other kids. So I hope you guys understand, but I loved being able to capture his first bath on video. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Don't forget to check out Home Chef's Fresh and Easy plan. I am so excited about it because it makes life so easy for me. I am going to be ordering a bunch of those oven ready meals and maybe even one of the ones for the grill for Jeff to do. So I'm gonna be ordering a lot more of those, but if you guys are interested, don't forget to check out the link in the description box below and use my coupon code and order yourself some oven ready meals. But I think we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I look so tired because I am. So we are going to bed. Bye guys.